The things you'll need are scissors, duct tape, a pair of magnets or Velcro, and of course one chip bag. So let's get started. Starting with some scissors and the bag of your choice. So you're going to cut the sides. Okay. Like that. So the sides are cut. Then I'm going to cut the top. Okay, and then all that mess, you could just wipe it. Alright, so now you're going to fold. Like that. Okay. So I don't know if you can see the crease in the camera, but I kind of can. So anyways, fold it. What I'm going to do is the front flap, I'm going to cut on the line, but leave the back flap. So here's the front. Okay. So like that. So now, here's a piece of clay. Oh, not clay, I meant duct tape. I'm sorry. I was just thinking about clay. Anyways, here's a piece of duct tape, and I cut little strips. Then, I'm going to line the duct tape up to here. Kind of put it in half a little bit more centered. Okay. So now, just going to put it along the side. I'm going to flip this over. And then I'm going to fold the tape back. Okay. And so you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Like that. Okay, so then I'm going to grab this piece. Okay. Kind of center it out, in the middle. And then my last piece, here it is, and I'm going to do the bottom. You don't have to do the bottom if you don't want to. Okay. So here's how it looks. Like that. So you could take a look at it. So I went ahead and fixed it up. I trimmed it right here. I fixed it up on the back because it was uneven. So here's how it looks, and I put the magnets on, and they connect really, really well. So I'm going to test it out by putting my Hello Kitty chapstick in. And this holds really well. I really like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.